One of the most overlooked problems in Dragon Ball is Kami. He's remembered as calm, wise, divine, the so-called guardian of Earth. But when you actually look at his history in the story, that reputation doesn't really hold up, because many of Earth's greatest disasters exist directly because of him. Before Kami ever became Guardian, he made a choice that set everything in motion. He separated the evil in his heart. Instead of confronting it or mastering it, he removed it entirely. That evil became King Piccolo, a demon who terrorized the Earth, wiped out martial artists, and nearly brought the planet to ruin. And Kami knew this would happen. That's the problem. King Piccolo wasn't stopped by Kami. He was stopped by Master Mutaito, a human who sacrificed his life to seal him away. Kami didn't intervene, he didn't assist, and he didn't prepare for what would happen next. Earth suffered because of a problem Kami created and never took responsibility for. Years later, when King Piccolo was released by the Pilaf gang, Kami still didn't step in. There was no warning to the people of Earth, no attempt to stop the threat early, and no effort to guide events before things escalated. We don't ever hear from him until after the battle is over. And that only happens because Goku goes out of his way to find him. Instead of acknowledging his failures, Kami decides Goku needs to be tested. He sends out Mr. Popo, which leads to another uncomfortable truth. Mr. Popo was stronger than Goku at that point. That's not headcanon. That's shown in the story, meaning Popo could have stopped King Piccolo himself, either by killing him or sealing him away, but he didn't. The series gives a vague explanation for this, but the reality is simple. If Kami truly wanted to stop Piccolo, he could have found a way. He chose not to. After King Piccolo's death and reincarnation as Piccolo Jr., Kami once again avoids responsibility. Instead of handling the threat himself, he places the burden entirely on Goku, a kid who had just saved the world. Kami does train Goku afterward, but even that feels half committed. Most of the real instruction came from Mr. Popo, while Kami focused on his so-called other duties. And it's never really clear what those duties are, especially during long periods of peace. At the 23rd Tenkaichi Budokai, Kami finally decides to act directly. He possesses a random human and attempts the evil containment wave on Piccolo. It backfires. The move is reversed, and Kami ends up sealed instead. Now the Guardian of Earth is being used as leverage by the very evil he created. If not for Goku's quick thinking, Kami might have remained trapped permanently. After Piccolo's defeat, Kami makes one of the most telling decisions of all. He tries to give his position to Goku.